This is a recreation of the London Overground service between Watford Junction and Watford High Street, on tracks which until 1982 were used by the Bakerloo Line. This was created by YouTube user SFS Rail Depot using the Train Simulator Classic program. I've set myself the task of walking between every station on the current London Underground. This means, however, that there are bits I'd like to feature but I'm gonna miss. There are various sections of the former London Underground, like this section here from Harrow to Watford and his Epping to Wonga, and other examples. But I'll try to feature these alongside the main walking action, just for completeness. This, for example, is a virtual cab ride between Watford Junction and Watford High Street. It's now part of the London Overground, and it's notable for departing the main line north and taking a diversion via Watford High Street,